Blood transfusions can save lives. Someone loses a lot of blood from an injury or surgery, they may need a transfusion to replace it. Blood transfusions can also help people with conditions like sickle cell disease or thalassemia, who have problems making enough healthy red blood cells. But there are some risks that come with getting a transfusion, which is why it's important to understand both the benefits and drawbacks before making a decision. So here are 5 reasons you should consider a blood transfusion. No. 1. To restore blood volume. When you lose a lot of blood, your body can go into shock. This means that your organs don't get enough blood and oxygen, and they start to shut down. If this happens, you can die within minutes. A transfusion can help by quickly replacing the lost blood and restoring normal blood pressure and organ function. No. 2. Improve oxygen carrying capacity. Red blood cells contain hemoglobin, a protein that carries oxygen to the body's tissues. If you have a condition like anemia, you may have fewer red blood cells or less hemoglobin. This can make it hard for your body to get the oxygen it needs. A blood transfusion can help by giving you more red blood cells or hemoglobin, so that your body can carry oxygen more efficiently. No. 3. To prevent organ damage. When your body doesn't have enough blood, it can start to break down and release harmful substances into the bloodstream. This can cause organ damage if it's not treated right away. Transfusion can help by replacing the lost blood, preventing these harmful substances from building up in your body. No. 4. To reduce the need for dialysis. Dialysis is a treatment that filters your blood when your kidneys can't do the job properly. It's often used when someone has kidney failure or severe blood poisoning. Transfusion can help by replacing the blood that's not working properly, which reduces the need for dialysis. No. 5. To treat certain infections. Some infections, like those caused by certain bacteria, can cause blood poisoning. This is when harmful bacteria and toxins build up in your bloodstream and can make you very sick. A transfusion can help by replacing the infected blood with healthy blood from a donor. It's also important to know that there are risks that come with any medical procedure, including blood transfusions. That's why it's so important to talk to your doctor about the risks and benefits before making a decision. Here are some of the possible risks of a blood transfusion. First is the risk of a transfusion reaction. This is when your body reacts to the blood that you're receiving. Reactions can be mild, like a fever or a rash, or they can be severe, like an allergic reaction. It's important to be monitored during a transfusion so that any reaction can be treated right away. Another risk is the risk of transmitting an infection. Although donors are screened for infections, it's still possible to get an infection through a transfusion. That's why it's important to be aware of the symptoms of an infection, like a fever, chills, or a rash, and to tell your doctor right away if you develop them after a transfusion. There's also a risk of getting the wrong blood type. If you receive the wrong blood type, your body can attack the transfused cells and cause a reaction. That's why it is important for everyone involved in your care to double-check your blood type before a transfusion. There's also a risk of iron overload. When you receive multiple transfusions, you can build up too much iron in your body. This can damage your organs. So it is important to have your iron levels checked regularly and to get treatments to remove excess iron if needed. A blood transfusion can be a life-saving treatment, but it's important to weigh the risks and benefits before making a decision. Talk to your doctor about your concerns and be sure to ask any questions you may have. Your doctor can help you decide if a transfusion is right for you and explain what to expect during the procedure. If you've had a blood transfusion, share your experience in the comments below. Your story could help others who are going through the same thing. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends. The references and studies used in this video are added in the description below. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy.